Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to discuss about the IPR system and its importance. So, firstly, what is IPR? So, IPR basically that is the intellectual property right. So now we discuss about the basic definition about the intellectual. So, intellectual is something that is any kind of intellect or any kind of innovation or any kind of real work that is not happened in previous. Okay, so intellectual property. So property is basically two types, that is the real property and personal property, and these property is the different from real property and personal property. That's why we call that is the intellectual property, and the right, that is the property right. So if you apply any innovation or any intellectual thought or any different types of innovation thought, so you must apply your thought in a specific way. Okay, so that's why both we called the intellectual property right, and also it importance. So basically it save your innovative thoughts or innovation thoughts or intellectual thoughts for different purposes or for different way. So that is the importance, basic importance of IPR system. Okay, so IPR basically that is the intellectual property rights. Intellectual property is the product of human intellect, including creation, create concept, inventions, industrial models, trademark, songs, literature, symbols, brands, etc. So these are the different types of IPR system or IPR rights where you can apply for different modes. Okay, so it includes allow their owner to completely benefit from his or her product. Secondly, to prevent other or others from using, dealing, or tampering with his or her product, and also he or she can in fact legally appeal for uh, or stop force them to stop compensate for any kind of damages. So basically IPR, that is the intellectual property right, is any kind of innovation thoughts or any kind of invention or any kind of concepts or models or different types of songs that we properly apply for any kind of IPR system, and we save your thoughts in a proper way, and also you prevent your thoughts uh, from others for using legal action. So these are the different types of IPRs, starting from patent, copyright, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, traditional knowledge, trade secret. So these are the different way where you can use or you can apply your different thoughts in a different mode. Okay, so first mode, that is the patent. Secondly, copyright. Next, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, traditional knowledge, and trade secret. So now, origin and nature. So in 1623, by Act of Parliament in England, granted true and must inventors, true or fast inventors a period of 14 years of exclusive control over any invention he or she created. So if you created any invention or any true or fast thoughts or fast invention, you must apply and this valid for the 14 years of exclusive control over any invention he or she created. Okay, so the intellectual property is intangible or untouchable in nature. So that is, you cannot touch these particular thoughts or these particular intellectual thoughts, or that is the in kind of in such a way in a property. Okay, it is an immaterial object. When an immaterial object become a property, it forms an intangible property. So basic origin and nature of intellectual property, right? So now the meaning of property. Okay. So property basically is anything that is owned by a person. So you say for example you have a mobile phone. So that is your personal property. Okay. So there are two different modes or different types of property. In a primary way, that is the real property, and second one the personal property. So real property is basically defined things that are permanently attached to the land, included homes, garages, and buildings. So these are the not movable. Okay, so this real property is not movable. So that's why we call it real property. So real property basically are permanently attached to the land, including homes, garages, and buildings. So these are we called real property. Next one, that is the personal property. So personal property, it is something that you could pick up or move around. So it is the movable item. Say for example, your mobile phone, your car, your jewelry items. So these are basic example of personal property. So we can move one place to another place. Okay, so it is something that you could pick up or move around, and also these include such things as automobiles, furnitures, jewelry item, mobile phones, or that we can move one place to another place. It is called the personal property. So property is basically two types. There is real property and personal property. So, but we discuss here in another property, that is the intellectual property. So intellectual property basically the intellectual thoughts or innovative thoughts, that is the true and fast invention or innovation, that is we call the intellectual property. So next, kinds of IPR. So there are variety of intellectual property such as patent, copyright, trademark, trade secret, and geographical indication. So these are the different way where we can apply your invention or in intellectual thoughts. So first one, that is the patents. So patent may be granted for the invention of any new and useful process, machine, manufacture, or composition of matter, or any new useful improvements. So what is patent? So patent basically granted your invention or true invention or fast invention of any new and useful process. So any kind of process here you can use the new things or new process line or process parameters, that is you can apply for the patent. Next one, machine, any kind of machine, invention of machines, any kind of manufacture or composition of matter. So here are different types of composition. If you use the valuable product for changes the different composition of the matter, that also you can use or apply for the patent, or any new useful improvement that you can use for patent. So it includes, it is a property right, and also it grants the inventor or owner the right to exclude others from making, using, selling it. So they are a basic right that you have to maintain. So these are the different intellectual property right for patent applications. Now, second intellectual property right, that is the copyright system. So it protects basically the original works of authorship fixed in a tangible media. Right. So it also include basically the literacy, dramatic, musical composition, movies, paintings, pictures, computer program. These are the different modes of system that is used for the copyright. So if you any kind of literacy related invention, you can apply for the copyright system. If you any kind of dramatic new drama, you have to apply for the copyright. Any kind of musical composition or any kind of composition that is the new, also you can apply for the copyright. Any kind of movies, any kind of paintings, any kind of picture that is the new, and any kind of computer program. So these are included in the copyright system. So this is the basic copyright office, government of India. So Copyright Act 1957 is enacted. The copyright system or copyright right. Next, the trademark. So trademark basically is a word, phrase, symbol or design, or combination of words, phrases, symbols or designs which identifies and distinguishes the source of the goods or services of one party from those of others. So basically, trademark is a mark that is any specific word or any specific logos or any specific symbols or design that is uh, identical or that is innovative. That is the new, okay, fast and new. So we identify the distinguishes the source of the goods. So here the different trademarks, if you see, starting from the Intel, Kellogg's, Puma, IKEA. So these are the different variety of trademark, different types of trademark where we can identify or distinguish. So this product is basic from the Puma product. This basic is basically the IKEA product. So Intel, Kellogg's. So these are the Kellogg's product. So if you identify the goods or service of one party from those of others, so differentiate from one party, that is the original, that is say for example you have Puma, from the others product, same logos, same name, but same, not same name, but the sound is really same. Okay, so we identify or distinguish the main product, that is the Puma product. So this is the trademark journals where that is the intellectual property also, and you can apply for your different trademark for your different purpose. Now the trade secret. So trade secret in any formula or manufacturing process, method of business, technical know-how that gives its owner or inventors competitive advantage for his or her invention. So trade secret. So any kind of secret here relation with trade, that is the confidential, any kind of confidentiality. So various kind of trade secret with confidential information, starting from formula that is the crucial ingredients of product. Second one, process, that is cooking process with unique flavors. Third one, that is the methods, calculations or algorithms that improve decisions, operations, etc. Next, tools, proprietary design tools that improve quality and productivity. Next one, patterns, that is reusable solution that lead to multiple designs and processes. Automations system that automate work to improve quality and efficiency. And last one, that is the design, product or service design. So these are the different states or different kind or various kinds of trade secret with confidential information. So any kind of confidentiality maintained for your product, we use or we go for, or you go for trade secret. So you apply for the trade secret. So here the any kind of formula, any kind of manufacturing process, method of business, technical know-how that gives its owner or inventor competitive advantage for his or her invention. So there is a competitive advantage we have to maintain, and also you have to follow the confidentiality. Now a design. So what is design? So a design refers to the features of shape, configuration, pattern, composition, lines or colors applied to any article, whether in 2 or 3 dimensional forms. Okay, so that is the basic definition of design. That is the industrial design, basic design, industrial design. So here are two types of design. That is the industrial design, and another is semiconductor device design. So this design particular is the industrial design. Okay, so it may be applied for any industrial process. Okay, next one, the separately or by a combined process, which in a finished article appeals to and judged solely by the eye. Design does not include any mode or principle of construction or anything which is a mere mechanical device, and also it also does not include any trademark or any artistic work. So these are the different parameters or different aspects of our industrial design. Uh, so there you can see the this written is pro solution, that is the trademark, and the this cutting is the called the design, that is the industrial design. So also you can apply for your design, industrial design for your IPR system. Okay. So last, that is the geographical indication, that is GI tag, or we can use the specific tag for the specific product. Okay. So a geographical indication is a sign used for a product that have a specific geographical origin and process qualities, and also reputation that are due to that particular origin. Say for here are a different type of product. You can see that the GI tag product. Okay, so geographical indication tag product, starting from the Darjeeling tea, that is the West Bengal, then Aranmula Kannadi, that is the handicraft product, that is from the Kerala, then Pochampally cut, that is also a handicraft product from the from Telangana. So these are the different types of, there you can see Mysore silk, that is also handicraft product from the Karnataka. So these are the different types of product that is this particular origin, from particular origin. So if you any kind of such product, if you apply, so it specifically apply for the geographical indication IPR system. So you have to follow this instruction, how to apply this geographical indication tag product, and also you get a certificate from your intellectual property office, India. Okay, thank you.